How to log out of your account from Twitter X. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out or sign out from X Twitter or Twitter X. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. If you're on the Twitter application and you're confused on how you can log it out, then it's pretty simple. Simply go ahead and open up your Twitter. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. And once this pop-up appears from your left, then down below you should find the settings and support option. You want to tap on it and you'll get two different options on which you want to select settings and privacy. Once you're on settings and privacy, you want to simply tap on the very first option that says your account. Under it you shall see the option that says account information at the very top. Once you tap on it, you'll find the logout option at the bottom. You can tap on logout and then go ahead and log out of your account. So this is how you can log out on Twitter X. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.